Hello everyone, my name is Dr Rosali and I am one of the vets working at Country Animal Clinic. I hope you're all keeping very warm during these icy lockdown days, but I just wanted to remind you to continue bringing your pets for their annual checkups and vaccinations. It is so easy in this weather to think, oh, I don't want to go outside, I don't want to bring them in for their checkup even though they're due for their vaccinations, and after all, they're healthy, aren't they? They're fine. For most part, this is probably true, and your pets are in fact healthy. However, there are a lot of conditions that don't show symptoms until the disease is quite progressed. Dogs and cats very often don't show pain, and they might be dealing with all kinds of nasties that you aren't aware of as an owner. As a vet, we obviously trained to look out for these things, and certain breeds are predisposed to certain conditions that we learn about. So during your pet's annual checkup, we perform a full clinical and thorough examination from the tip of your pet's nose to the tip of their tail, checking everything. And something as simple as listening to the heart might pick up a heart murmur, which is the very first stage of heart disease and can be managed from a very early stage. It is important to pick these things up now. It just becomes much easier to monitor them at a later stage and know when to start medication. If caught early on, a lot of these diseases are not as expensive in the long run, and we can keep your pet healthy and happy for a very long time. Everybody knows prevention is better than cure, and that brings me to vaccinations. Animals' immune systems work differently to ours in that we need to vaccinate them annually. All of these diseases are deathly, but they are completely preventable purely by vaccinations. It is a little bit expensive to bring your dog for their vaccination, obviously, but I can guarantee you bringing your dog for the vaccination is a heck of a lot cheaper than bringing them for that parvo treatment or katgrip, as many of you know it. It is also important to continue giving them their tick and flea medications all through the year here in the Western Cape because of our rainy winter season. Deworming is the same thing. We do need to deworm our pets every 3 months. At the end of the day, taking your pets for their yearly checkups is exactly the same as taking your car for its service. You need to have the tires rotated, you need to have the oil checked and possibly changed. It works exactly the same way in animals, and we do need to make sure that everything is fine. Ultimately, if their teeth are dirty, doing a simple dental procedure that, yes, is under anesthetic and might be a bit expensive, doing it now will prevent them from needing major extractions and cause tooth root abscesses later, which is going to be a lot more expensive. Prevention is better than cure. In summary, please be a good pet parent and continue bringing your fur babies for their annual checkups and vaccinations. It is important. Take care, keep warm, and stay safe.